Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Chelsey. I collect cute things, I make cute things, I sell cute things, I just really like cute things. Today's video, however, we're focusing more on the making of things. I actually made these sumikko gurashi inspired rings. I just put them on my finger so that I could show you them there. If my camera would focus nice and quickly, that would be great. Come on camera. Hello. Oh, there we go. So yeah, I've got Ebi at the top there and tonkatsu. If you've been around for a while, you will know that I am absolutely obsessed with sumikko gurashi. I think one of the first DIYs I ever did on my channel was a sumikko gurashi charm, and yeah, I'm still going. I'm still making the sumikko gurashi things out of clay. So I did make a tutorial a little while ago using my pig, my bear and my frog designs, which is just characters that I draw for my merch and that sort of stuff. I absolutely love them, but I did make clay rings inspired by those, so I'll leave that tutorial down in the description as well. But if you want to see how I made sumikko gurashi inspired ones, then just keep on watching. So the clay that I used for these rings is a polymer clay, as I probably have mentioned in the title already. To roll these out, I just used a Posca paint pen, just because I misplaced my rolling pin. Honestly, usually I have a rolling pin, but I just couldn't find it. So I rolled it out into a thin strip, and then I just kind of cut off one end and then rolled it around my finger so that I made sure that I had the right length. I then took my scissors and just cut each length so that it had a flat end, and then cut them into strips. I then made sure that they wrapped around my finger nicely, and I just kind of pinched together the two ends. As you can see there, pinching them together. This does distort the clay a little bit, but after you've taken it off your finger, just very gently, you just want to cut off both the top and the bottom so you're left with a flat edge. To make mine kind of textured while still keeping it round, I just used a thick Posca paint pen. Again, just pop that inside of the ring and then just used the end of the paintbrush just to texture that up a little bit, and then I added on a round kind of oval shape as tonkatsu's little nose. To make the ebi, I just made the ring in the exact same way without texturing it, again making it nice and flat on the top and the bottom, and I added on a little tail just by making a circle and cutting out a triangle. I then popped these onto my baking tray, and before baking I just made sure that all the middle parts were fully circular, fully round still, without being distorted, just by again putting the Posca paint pen and swirling it around. I then baked them 110 degrees Celsius in the oven for around about 15 minutes I think in total, because it's quite thin. Once they were out and cooled down, I just glue tacked them to some ceramic tiles and started painting away. So I painted the base colour to begin with. Obviously tonkatsu was in the brown and the ebi was in the yellow. I then painted on the rest of the details, so the nose and the tail on the ebi, and then once that was done I just glazed the whole thing using UV resin, curing it down with the UV light. I then painted the rest of the faces on using a Posca paint pen, and then re-glazed just to seal all of that onto the rings. And that is the end of today's video, so I hope you have enjoyed it. I absolutely love how the rings have turned out. They turned out so sparkly, so cute, so chunky. If anything, I would make them slightly smaller. For some reason I made them a little bit too big this time. I think my other ones turned out slightly smaller, but these are still very adorable, and to be honest I think I'm just going to stack them up just so that they look real cute and on display. I love them so much, and the glitter on that is so nice and so sparkly. I didn't put glitter on my last ones. I'm really happy I did this one, because with my clay pieces I love to put iridescent glitter on things. So anyway, yeah, that is the end of today's video. Hopefully you have enjoyed it. If you did like this video, then please do leave it a thumbs up on your way out, and I'll see you very soon for another video. Bye.